Hey babies, in this video I'm going to show you how to do Sharpie watercolor. You're going to need 2 Sharpies or more, acetone, and a old paintbrush you don't really care about. The first thing you want to do is draw on your nail in the design that you want the watercolor to be. Right here I'm going to switch between a dark purple and a lighter shade purple. Sure that you cover the nail. You don't really want any white spots. Okay, so you're going to take your acetone and your paintbrush. You want to make sure it's fully drenched, and you want to just dab a little bit of it off, and you just want to tap the nail. Do one color at a time so you don't smear the colors together. So you just want to go around the nail, do little dabs, little dots with your paintbrush, and you just want to make sure you get it to your desired look. And now towards the end you kind of want to blend them in a little bit together more. See, I'm going in here with the lighter color Sharpie I didn't use in the beginning, just to fill a little light in on the side. Just going to dab around there. You don't have any spots that are too dark, and I have a little dark spot at the cuticle area. And there you go. Add a no wipe top coat once it's dry, and y'all are good to go. Thank you for watching.